In front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by finding and opening Clock app. Then click on Alarm at the bottom left corner, and what most people miss, tap on those three dots at the top right one and hit Settings if you want to adjust the general settings for all of your alarms over here. To manage even more, click on Additional Alarm Settings and check out all of those. When you finished, go back, and to create new alarm, use this plus at the bottom right corner. Now set up an hour and click on Repeat. Then pick one of those repeat options, once, daily, Monday to Friday, or two of my favorites, Shift Alarms. You can adjust each cycle and day however you want to, or customize where you need to tap on days of the week you wanna set up. Either way, when you finished, go back and click on ringtone. Now you can tap on any of those melodies to set it up. Hit allow and go back. You can click on all ringtones and tap on one of those, or hit pre-installed ringtones and tap on apply next to the best one. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Tap on allow again and go back. But if you wanna pick any song from your smartphone as your alarm ringtone, you can also do that from here by choosing plus icon at the bottom right corner, picking one of those sources, tap in agree, allow all, and click on your audio file. Then you'll need to hit apply right next to it and hit OK again. Now use this switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to switch off or on haptic feedback, and tap on label if you wanna name it. To save your new alarm, use this checkmark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and pick one of those options in the pop-up. To make some changes to it, click on it, hit Additional Settings and manage it. Then tap on the checkmark again. And last but not least, to get rid of it, hold it and hit Delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!